Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Cool, DJ. Yeah. Ringo. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Whoa, this is Chihik's track. Yeah. This is Mac. Wow. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Wow, Rod Burner. Yeah. This is Jackson Storm. Wow. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Wow, Rod Burner. Yeah. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
Started a racing school, formed a nonprofit that provides snow tires to the lightly treaded, and I'm learning French.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oui.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Camp here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right?
Whoa, this is Chihik's track. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Kajiga, kajiga. Say it with me. Kajiga.
Cool, DJ. Yeah.
Pretty music.
This is Mac. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Woo-hoo! I'm the first one on the new road.
Bingo! Haha!
Right back at ya! Oops, I missed!
You going on vacation?
Who is that? Ramon! Wow! This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.